Welcome back to Auto Buzz TV, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in the auto world. If you love discovering innovative vehicles and next-gen tech on wheels, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a review. Today, we're taking a closer look at something that blends sustainability with adventure, the 2025 AZUB electric camper. This isn't just a camper van, it's a glimpse into the future of eco-friendly travel. Right off the bat, AZUB has managed to create something that's compact, fully electric, and incredibly smart. Designed with modern nomads and outdoor lovers in mind, this electric camper is built on a lightweight frame with sleek, aerodynamic lines that not only look futuristic but help maximize range. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the floor, is a high-capacity battery pack paired with dual electric motors. The 2025 model comes with an upgraded 120 kWh battery, offering a solid range of up to 300 miles on a single charge, depending on terrain and load. It supports ultra-fast charging, with 80% charge achieved in just under 40 minutes, making it perfect for long road trips with minimal downtime. Now let's talk about the living space, which is where AZUB truly sets itself apart. Step inside and you'll find a surprisingly spacious interior, thanks to its smart modular design. The cabin includes a full sleeping area for two, a compact kitchenette with an induction cooktop, a mini fridge, and even a foldable dining space that transforms into a workstation, ideal for digital nomads. There's also a built-in solar panel array on the roof, which provides supplemental power for appliances and lights, extending your off-grid capabilities. The onboard energy management system is user-friendly, allowing you to monitor battery usage, solar input, and appliance consumption all from a single touch screen. Comfort hasn't been sacrificed either. The AZUB electric camper features climate control, smart insulation, and noise reduction tech, creating a cozy atmosphere no matter the weather outside. Plus, with its advanced suspension and regenerative braking system, driving it feels smooth and confident, whether you're cruising highways or navigating winding mountain roads. Safety-wise, the 2025 AZUB doesn't disappoint. It's loaded with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, emergency braking, 360-degree cameras, and even an AI-powered parking assistant. For those who love to explore without stress, this camper has your back. In short, the AZUB electric camper is a bold step forward in sustainable travel, merging comfort, technology, and clean energy into one adventure-ready package. Whether you're planning a weekend escape or going full van life, this electric camper could easily be your new best friend on the road. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment letting us know what you think about the AZUB electric camper. Would you take this out for a long trip? Thanks for watching Auto Buzz TV, where innovation meets the road. Subscribe for more electric vehicle reviews, auto news, and all things on four wheels. Until next time, drive safe and stay charged.